Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, Pokegemz Art. Alright, here's another fun video. I think you guys know exactly who this character is. This is no one but himself, Mickey Mouse, the original Disney character, guys. And I'm going to show you a simple way to draw him. Maybe not the best picture in the world, but super simple. Guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe and like button if you get a chance, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, this one is going to start out with pencil. Now it is super easy. Think about how Mickey looks when he looks on a piece of paper, right? It's basically like, kind of almost like a circle, right? And then two more circles over his head are the ears, right? It's basically three circles. And that's really what we're going to start out with, guys. So it's going to be a circle, just like so. Now I know sometimes circles are not the easiest thing in the world to draw, but what you can do is kind of sketch it lightly, what I do here, and then kind of go over it a little bit darker. Make your circle as good as you can. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then, like I said, two more circles for the ears right here. Guys, throughout this video, I'm going to have some pop-ups of various super fun, interesting facts about Mickey, about Disney, about drawing. So I think you guys should find this video quite interesting. All right, there we go. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to start with some of the features inside of Mickey's face here. So let's go ahead and start out with making kind of a design here where his eyes will be held. So just like so. It's almost like a little V inside of his face. Just like so. Super easy. And then that's the nice thing about using pencil, is you can always kind of go over it more and more, and then later when we do it with our marker, you know, we can erase. So let's go ahead and have a nice oval eye there, an oval eye here. And now if you see the picture, what we're doing is we're kind of drawing Mickey where he's looking sideways. So that's exactly what we're going to do here. All right, let's go ahead and give Mickey his nice, beautiful smile that he always has. I think that looks good. And then feel free to come out with the nose really nice and big like that. And then later we'll erase the inside of the features of the mouth. So starting to look pretty good here, looking like Mickey Mouse himself. All right, next thing we're going to do is start drawing his body. So let's go ahead and have one arm come out on one side, basically just kind of straight. And then pretty much the same thing on the other side, have his other arm coming out like that. Go ahead and continue his top part of his body down like so. And then before I forget, that's right, he's got that little extension on his nose just like that. All right, so we've got Mickey's shirt on top of his body. And then we'll go ahead and come down just like so and start drawing his shorts right here. All right, there we go. One leg, come straight across. And then you'll come down and then draw the other leg here. And then if you see, one of his shorts is a little larger because the profile that we're drawing is he's kind of looking to the right here. So next thing we're going to do is make his big gloves. So start out with the thumb, just like so, and then just kind of continue the fingers just like that. Pretty nice and easy. Like a thumb with basically his three fingers, and try to make him look as realistic as possible. All right, then we've got one leg coming down, and then his other leg, since he is looking sideways, we'll make one boot kind of looking forward and the other boot looking kind of the other way, just like that. Guys, that was pretty simple. So let's go ahead and draw that other boot. There we go, just like that. And a nice big boot going to the side like so. If you're not sure, that's the nice thing about the pencil. You know, you can always erase and go over it. Guys, that's pretty much it. I think that was easy. Next thing, let's grab our marker and go over everything with our dark marker. All right, and then like I said before, take your eraser, erase everything you have left over. Use a nice brush to get rid of all those eraser shavings. We're going to go ahead and color in the ears and the top of his head black, his t-shirt black, and then also his legs in black. All right, let's go ahead and use our red colored pencil. Color in his shorts in dark red, just like so. And then the inside of his mouth, we'll use the same pencil, but maybe just a little bit lighter. All right, guys, here's a little thing we'll do with his boots here, we'll use a lighter orange and then kind of highlight the edges with a darker orange. It really makes it pop off the page super nicely. Then let's go ahead and do kind of a light beige for his face, just like that. And then let's grab our white marker and just color in all the gloves, the buttons, and his nose. Guys, that's it. Look at that. Pencil, marker, couple of colored pencils. We used a couple yellow, red, beige, and dark black. Guys, that is it. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let me know what other videos you want to see, and I will see you guys on that next drawing.